Hello everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. Collect some flowers and you can remove the twig by removing the leaves like this. Let's make it now. Here we are going to put these green twigs around the fingers. Look how we are doing here. After this we are going to add on more twigs one after another. Here we are going to braid all of them. You can take help of your finger. Look how we are doing here, and these are very easy to make. We are also going to tie knot around it. Look like this. After making the design, we're going to remove it and simply tie knot like this. Cut the extra part and give it shape, and you will get these beautiful design at the end. They are looking like spoon. You can use it in so many ways, so try it at your home. Here we are going to cut some green leaves and we are going to braid them together at the center and keep the ends loose from all its four sides. After braiding them, we are going to tie knot from all the corners and cut the extra part, and you will get this design. After this, we are going to hold it and start bending it from two sides. Look like this, and tie a knot at the top like we are doing here. And look, your boat is ready. You can also use it as this. Select some soft green twigs from your garden. Here we are going to put all of them together, make a cross sign. After making this, we are going to take another twig and overlap it like we are doing here around the four twigs like this and braid them together one after another. Here we are going to overlap it and make this square shape at the center like we are doing here. You can add on more twigs one after another like we're doing here in this video, and twist it. You can increase and decrease the size like we're doing here in this video, and look, it's ready. After doing this, we're going to hold it at the top portion and tie a knot. Cut the extra part of the twigs like we're doing here in this video, and look, it's ready. You can put some flowers inside it. Select any color of leaf. Here we are going to twist it like this and pull it tightly. After this, tie a knot at the top, and look, your roses are ready. We are going to make a bunch of this flower, and we are going to cover it as well and make a beautiful bouquet. Wrap it, tie a bow, and look, it's ready. First, we are going to fold this green leaf and fold it from the corners. Tear it again, and we are going to tuck it inside like this. After this, we are going to tuck the other side of the boat on the corner, and look, it is ready. So you can put it in the water, and look how pretty this is looking. Thank you so much for watching this video.